Sometimes this thing take long. What's up? All right, what's happening, y'all? Dominoes 7 back at home again. Okay, yeah. So missed my appointment and stuff like that. Huh. Well, okay, friends. I have to I have to go out, do a little things and stuff like that, you know. But unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, I or whatever, you know. Made it home. Watch a little movie, but the movie is over. But actually, I just came home. Well, take this off. Yeah, now I feel great and relaxed. Okay, Jeopardy get ready to come on. Well, not right now. Okay, let me just put it like that. Take my jacket off. Mm-hmm. Feel great. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. The phone dropped. Doggone it. Oh, well. At least nothing broken. Okay. So, hello, friends, once again. Okay. Made it back at home. Okay. This vlog, Facebook Live vlog and stuff like that, you know. I'm just out here chilling and stuff like that. Came back home. I had to reschedule my appointment because them 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 fools. Well, I'm sorry to call them that. I mean, them people forgot to send me a letter telling me when my appointment was, and I hate writing on a calendar. You know, I hate writing on a dang calendar. Okay, at least they need to do something specific. You know, it's cool out here again. It was warm, then it's cool. Gotta love the Louisiana weather. Okay, look at the sky. Okay, look at the sky. You know. Yep, they must have a rocket up there. You know. Mm-hmm. I need to go check my mailbox, but before I do that, let me go pee pee. Okay. All right. Y'all gonna see nothing for right now. Okay. All right. Be back. All right. Excuse me. Well, I don't know if you viewers heard the farting. Excuse me. All right. I'm back. Yep. Had to wash my hands though. Mm-hmm. Yep. It feels good to have your own place though. You know. Feels good to be in your own house. You know. So, thing is, you can't touch food or anybody with pee hands. All right. You can't do that. Now that's funny, huh? That's very funny though. You can't touch nobody with pee hands or poo hands. All right. So I had to teach My brother got to wash his hands when he used the bathroom. What's this? All right, with the camera focus. Well, never mind. Well, never mind all that though. So my hands is clean. Everything's great. Everything is good. I'm so glad. So one killed, two injured in the Algiers shooting. Well, yes, indeed. Ain't that something, y'all? Always something in Algiers and in Orleans Parish, though. All right. So I must say, uh, well, at least I'm not this person that constantly cursing on on Facebook Live. She deleted the Facebook Live footages. I ain't gonna mention her name. She'll beat me up. All right. So yeah, that's all good. Okay. So all right, I'm back at home. All right. Thank y'all for watching this. All right. All right.